Hi friends, you are watching All Today Tech channel. Today I am going to complete the what tutorials friends. I will explain all the remaining options. Why means the remaining options not important, much more important friends. Not much more and nothing useful to us. See friends, the in mailings envelope option is there friends. This is useful for the envelope printing friends. Suppose if we add to document, we delete all these things, these are in documents. We will create envelope. See friends, this envelope page, in this envelope page we will enter our address or anything to create one envelope, and we also take printout of this envelope. This is the only important thing in this. The remaining are not important. Next one is review. In this we can review all the work done in previous. We can review here. This spelling and grammar means it will check the grammar of every word. We can check, we can correct it. If we ignore, it will go to next. Like this, it will go to the spell. It will check all the spellings in the document, wrong spells, or it will, if it will correct also, but it was not identified word count, it will shows the how many pages, how many words, all data it will shows. This translate means this will translate the entire page to some other language, whichever you want. For this translation you need internet connection, active internet connection. It will translate over the internet. See friends, it will translate this to Hindi. I already set it to Hindi language, so it will shows the translation page all into Hindi. Okay friends, this translation, the remaining all are not much more important. Next, in the view, these are the options. See, print layout, generally we use print layout. If you want web layout like this, if you want read mode, it will shows full page. These options are here appear on bottom also. You can select from here also. Web page, generally we use print layout. The remaining options not. This roller, if you uncheck this, roller will disappear. Same things, if you click this, grid line appear. If you uncheck it, grid lines disappear. Navigation, if you want navigation bar, you will click here, it will zoom the page. The remaining all are not important. In the next option, help, it gives some support. If you have any doubt, here we can contact support or like this. In the file menu, you see inform new doc. If you want to open new empty document, you want to click here. Next, you want to open any other document, existing document, open, save as. Like this friends, if you want to print document, like click on print. All these options are everybody know. If you want to save the existing document, click on save button. If you want to save the same document with other name in other location, you use save as option. like this. You can, if you want to print a document, use print option, share, export, close, all these options you can use. This is about the this is about all the options in the MS Word, friends. If you have any doubt or any option you want to clearly once more, or I leave some options which are not used by us, if you want to know about those options, mention in the comment, friends. Definitely I will show you how to use that option, friends. This is all about Word, friends. If you have any doubts, don't hesitate to comment me, friends. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, friends. If you like this video, share to your friends and family, friends. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching.